Here's how you can celebrate Christmas for a day in Universal Studios Singapore. Hi, welcome to Wonder Vibes Only. My name is Afie and I'll be your guide as we check out all the Christmas shows, meet and greets, and everything festive happening in the park.
So if you're ready to experience the holiday season in USS, then keep on watching and let's wander together. So if you've watched my previous video, I mentioned that Christmas and Wicked are overlapping right now, which is all fine and dandy because I'm a huge fan of Wicked. But since I'm here for Christmas activities, I don't feel the Christmas spirit as soon as I step into the park, I think it's just because of all the Wicked decorations over here in Hollywood. But I guess if I go down Hollywood and then turn to my right, there's a ton of Christmas decorations over in New York, and there's also a lot of Christmas stuff happening over in Minion Land, which we'll head to right now because Gru and Lucy are coming out.
Like a satellite, giving a one bright light. It's just my appetite for life that's keeping me in flight. This Christmas will be cold, alone, thinking of you home on your own. I wish I had a phone to call, but I'm just a floating on.
So I'm inside the Minions gift shop because I have to quickly find a birthday present for my friend's daughter who's turning 3. Her birthday is this weekend. She has the same birthday as Taylor Swift. I think I'm just gonna get her this unicorn, if you know, you know, and then something small. Also, if you're a season pass holder, you can get free gift wrapping right now. Just take all your purchases to guest services before 5:30 because that's what the crew here told me. Oh, this is cute.
这90嘛，打这个9折，然后81。
Free gift and
Yeah.
the return is a gift wrap.
Okay.
拿着护照跟这个发票到游客服务处
Yeah.
出口
Thank you,
前
have a
入口。
Thank
universal
you. Okay, guest services is here. Have my bag. There's 2 items. So I can collect here later or?
Yes, just for a while only. You can
Okay,
come
no,
back.
I'll come back at like 6 plus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
So usually when you buy merch, you can leave it and pick it up later, but I wasn't sure what the deal is because I had to go to guest services to do gift wrapping, but it's all fine now. Let's go to New York and catch a show. Hey, Skipper Kowalski! Okay, bye! It's so nice to see the Madagascar penguins out, but too bad Rico and Private are missing. So here are all the Christmas showtimes happening in New York.
Whoa! Santa! Bathrobe? Fluffy bedroom slippers? Redhead hair? You're
Inspired! I've been up all night thinking.
We can tell. Everything all right?
Let's get groovy!
Elves!
Whoa! Whoa!
It's time for a little Christmas magic. Zippity-zap!
And we're all counting on you to come back for tonight's epic Santa's Rockmas concert, happening right here at 7:25 p.m. It'll be spectacular!
Hi, Oma! Thanks, Abby! Yes.
It's a big night. All right, Santa, it's up to you now. We're gonna help you find your inner confidence. Now, find your inner roster. Okay, Ted, it's clear what we need to do next. We're going off book. Silver smell to make sense.
Genius, just a thing for a tuna-up. Oh, we couldn't have done it without you. See you at the concert. What's this?
Of course, it's snowing. Okay. It's stunning, isn't it?
Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm ending off the video with the Lake Hollywood Christmas fireworks. I hope you have a wonderful holiday and a happy new year filled with joy and new adventures. As always, you can check out my other Universal Studios videos here on your screen. Hit that subscribe button if you love my content, and I'll see you in the next one.